5 easy steps for creating morning meeting slides for your classroom. As someone who used to teach first grade and now I'm in fifth grade, I didn't often do morning slides because, as you probably know, first graders don't read a lot at the beginning of the year, and certainly not as much as a fifth grader can. So I never had morning slides. In fact, what I had was something where the kids could find their name and slide it over. It let me know that they were there for the day. I started fifth grade out using the same slide, just sliding their name over. And then I realized I wanted to give them directions every morning on things that they could do. So I started making my own morning slides in Canva, and I'm going to show you how to do that today. You could make these in PowerPoint as well. I just think that Canva has a lot of great templates, and there is a free version, so you could use that. I'm going to be using Canva Pro because I use it for both of my businesses. So I hope this video will help you, and you'll save it and come back later for when you're ready to make your own slides. I wanted to show you the morning slides that I have created for my own classroom first. I need to put these inside of my Teachers Pay Teachers store, so hopefully by the time you're watching this, I have. So I just found a template and I created this strictly from a template. I changed the fonts to ones I wanted. I really like that Poppins font. It's really easy to read. And for this particular day, I just added some emojis. And one thing I like about Canva is the emojis will move at times. So I always have my students unpack and grab materials for the day. I have a non-negotiable. They must say hello or good morning to me, and then they need to check the schedule on the board. So they often have questions about what's going on for the day, and that's where they'll find the answer. Every day I change out the picture with the date. So this is something you could easily do too. I tell them to something up here like, enjoy this cute picture. My class loves cute baby animals, so we do this daily during morning meeting, but this kind of sets them up too. Sometimes I'll have something about the day of the week, like a Happy Friday picture, and that's really easy to change out, and I'll show you when we make your own. So as you can see, like the GIFs will move, especially when they're in presentation mode, which the students love that. So if you're going to make one on your own, you can simply go to Canva, and then in the search bar, you can type presentation. And from there, hit enter, and so many different templates will pop up, and the hard part will just be picking one that you like. So if you scroll down, there's tons and tons and tons. And I'm not sure whether one I was using was in here. It's somewhere for sure. I didn't make that template, but that's one thing about Canva is that you can add a template, but then also change it as much as you like. So let's say I'm going to pick this one just because and see what they offer. So I'm going to do customize this template. And they will have sometimes up to 10 or more slides. So maybe I like the way this looks, but I want to change it up a little bit. So I could go in here and delete the things I don't want. I don't need any of these little guys right here. And let's say I want to make this whole thing bigger, then I can hold down and just make it bigger. The only problem is sometimes it will make other things bigger, but okay, center it and have it ready to go. So I could change the message up here. And then I could have instructions. Maybe I want the date to go in here. Obviously going to make that a bunch smaller. Let's say it's September. Then I can put the date wherever I want it. Then I could have my morning message to the kids. Again, you can change the fonts out and edit however you want. It's all depending on kind of what you want the kids to do. Maybe they have morning work, so you could say complete morning work. Maybe before that, though, you want them to unpack their backpacks. Be ready when the bell rings. So again, I can play around with this and get things the way I like them. Maybe I want them aligned that way. I was saying that I like the Poppins font, but there's tons of fonts, so you decide which one you like. Maybe I want it a little bit more bold than that. Maybe this is too big for me and I want to make sure it can all fit. And if you remember, my slides, my morning meeting slides, had a few boxes in them. So maybe I like that and I could take that from here. Not every template's going to have what exactly you want, so you might have to just play around with it. You could also go to Elements and then find the GIFs. So you could have, let's say this is Wednesday. You could add a GIF in for the day of the week and just play around with it. I like to have a cute photo over here, so I might go to photos and type cute animals and see what pops up. Oh, that's so cute. So I might pick this little guy. And then one cool thing you can do in Canva is take the background away and then just have the puppy. If it looks wonky, then I go back to the way it was. So obviously these slides are not completely perfect, but you can play around with them, change them to the colors you like. That's something very customizable that Canva does that I really appreciate. Oh, look, it turned out pretty cute. So again, with the colors, I could go up here and then change them. I have my own brand palettes in here, so I could just go change that so they reflect my branding. If you have colors you like for the classroom, then that's what you would want to do for yours. All right, I hope this helps you figure out morning slides. They're so easy to make inside of Canva. I hope you found this video helpful and you will make your own morning slides to make your day so much better with a great transition to getting started for the day. Let me know in the comments below, what grade do you teach? And if you made your own slides, I'd love to hear about it. Share this video with a teacher friend who's looking to up-level their morning routine, and I'll see you next time.